Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DeepCrawl for enterprise SEO auditing, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into DeepCrawl, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for DeepCrawl. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, input your password. Double-check both entries to ensure they are correct. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. You should now be directed to your DeepCrawl dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. If you are part of multiple accounts, ensure you select the correct one. To begin your enterprise SEO auditing, locate the crawl section on the dashboard. Click on it to access previous crawls or set up a new one. For a new crawl, choose the New Crawl button. Follow the on-screen instructions to set the parameters for your audit. Once everything is set, initiate the crawl by clicking the appropriate button. Monitor the progress of the crawl through the dashboard. After completion, analyze the results under the Crawl Results section. Utilize the insights gathered to improve your website's SEO performance. If you encounter issues, consult the help section or reach out to support. That's how you log into DeepCrawl for conducting enterprise SEO audits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.